Picture this. You're about 8 years old and you've just innocently fallen asleep in your bed. The next thing you know, you're being woken up by your parents who are asking you why you're taking a bath at 2 o'clock in the morning. I used to sleepwalk a lot when I was younger, and I always wondered why I would wake up confused and not remember anything. Sleep. Everybody needs it and everybody wants it. Some of us sleep too much and some of us just can't ever get enough. Many things happen during the 5 stages of sleep, and I'm going to tell you what happens during each of those 5 stages. During stage 1 of sleep, according to Kendra Cherry, a writer for About.com, the brain produces theta waves, which are just very slow brain waves, and this stage of sleep lasts about 5 to 10 minutes. It's a very light stage of sleep, and someone might say that they never fell asleep if you try to wake them during this stage. Eyes move very slowly as well as your muscles. Every now and then muscle contractions will occur, which explains why some people have the sensation of falling. During stage 2 of sleep is when sleep spindles occur. Sleep spindles are just characterized by bursts of rapid and rhythmic brainwaves. Your heart rate begins slowing down and your temperature starts to decrease. Also, all your eye movement stops and the brain starts to relax. And this stage lasts about 20 or so minutes. Next, we have stage 3 of sleep, which marks the entry of the body into a deep sleep. This is because the brain starts producing very slow brain waves known as delta waves. The synchronization of the firing of neurons is what produces these delta waves, as told by Russ Dewey. Body movement is barely evident, and small fast waves are still present, but a lot less common. Next, we have stage 4 of sleep, also known as delta sleep, because the delta waves are what the brain mainly produces, and it's also the stage in which you are in the deepest sleep. There is no eye or body movement, and waking someone when they are in this stage of sleep can be very difficult. This stage lasts about 30 minutes. Also, Sandy Baker with LoveToKnow.com says that bedwetting, night terrors, and sleepwalking usually occur during this time. Since this is the deepest stage of sleep, I now understand why I couldn't remember why I was sleepwalking. Finally, stage 5 of sleep usually happens after 90 minutes from the beginning of sleep. It produces energy for the body and the brain, which helps the body prepare for its daily activities. It is also known as REM sleep, which just means rapid eye movement. Your breathing rate and your brain activity actually increase, but your active muscles become a lot more relaxed. It's when the most dreaming occurs, as well as temporary paralysis of the muscles. So basically, when your muscles are in this paralysis state, it keeps you from acting out your dreams. In this stage, brainwave activity is about the same level as when you are awake. Also, being awoken during this stage may increase your chances of remembering your dreams. I have just told you what happens during each of the 5 stages of sleep. Okay, so many things happen during the 5 stages of sleep. And now I'll leave you with an interesting fact. The National Sleep Project on ABC.net said the record for the longest period without sleep is 18 days, 21 hours, and 40 minutes during a rocking chair marathon. The record holder reported hallucinations, paranoia, blurred vision, slurred speech, and memory and concentration lapses. Thank you.